vlog. So we're here right now in Aliyah Surf Resort, Baler. And a few clarifications before we proceed. No, it's not that fast. We are in agreement that the pacing is just right. Number 2, we are exclusively dating but in a casual trip. Tama ba? Just for clarifications.
We're just exclusively dating pero nasa Baler na ako.
And
Normal behavior.
normal. It's just like, as Tisha mentioned nga earlier, 4 consecutive dates.
Rolled into one trip.
So now we're going to get a sweet treat. Kasi apparently gusto ni Tisha ng sweet treat.
Ayaw mo? Hindi ka makikisweet treat?
Makiki-sweet treat. So that's it for today. Bye!
Si vlogger. Not so peaceful anymore. Let's go get ice cream.
I won't go breaking your heart. Don't go breaking my heart. Nobody told us, 'cause nobody showed us. Now it's up to us, babe.
Was
I
it?
think we can make it.
Hey there, Mr. You're a real enigma. Wanna know all about it, Tell me about your mother and all your ex-lovers. Baby, if you let me,
So parang
I
candid
could
to, di ba?
be your favorite color.
I think parang nag-uusap yan. Ha? Yan.
Again, hindi cute.
We don't have to bring it up, baby.
Wow, with the beats pa.
I wanna speak
Hey,
your love
hey,
language. You can help me understand it. Whether you wanna talk or just go slow rush on, you can have it all. I wanna speak in your love language. You make it hard, but I can manage. I wanna know what's going on inside your head, so you can teach me your love language.
Sabi ni Kuya. Tama na us. Oh my God, I am Dora today. Color.
Ano ba suot ni Dora?
Purple shirt, orange short.
Ano? Everybody, let's go. I know that we can do it. So come on, let's get to it.
Where are we going?
Then a brew coffee.
Lately, you're the only reason my heart beats. All I want is to be your only every summer in the morning tomorrow, you don't need to say goodbye. A vision between good and bad dreams. Paranoia's holding me. It's a strange thing. All I want is to be your only.
Ay, bawal ba yun? Sorry, bawal pala yun.